Han? Oh my God. Tingnan, look at that face.
Oh my God.
So, ito na lang yung kukunin. Ito siya, guys. Ito kasing basement, guys, sobrang old.
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, everything. May medyas pa tayo. Good morning! Alis na po ako, guys. Punta kaming New Rochelle. At saka, alam nyo ba, nag-ice na. So, tignan, hanapin natin si Mister, guys. Kasi, nag-ice na ang daan. Nag-ice na, guys. Ice baby. Ice baby, si Sherlock, si Gabi man. So, let's see kung anong ginagawa niya dun sa labas ngayon. Ay! Nag-ano siya. Kinuha niya yung gamit sa sasakyan pala. Anyway, kita-kits tayo mamaya. So, now what we're gonna do? It's really ice, so we should... Han, you cannot just drive the SWAT me until we... So, find some salt in there. We have to drop some salt. But you cannot get out.
I can't get out. Are you freaking kidding? I can't get out.
Yeah, but this car will slide, Han.
Huh? Seriously?
I will look at the car and hold the car. Mag-slide, manggod na, guys. Mag-slide nyo sa sakyan, oy. Good morning sa inyong tanan diha. Okay, come on. Come. We're gonna go and let's pray for us that we're safe driving, okay? It's icy out there. Icy. Okay, guys. Let's see. Naluka ako, guys. Ay, ice man dyan sa labas, guys. Ay. Han? Oh my God. Tingnan, look at that face.
Oh my God.
Honey ba? Sumakit tuloy ulo ko. Han, you gonna damage that garage?
Huh?
If you slide. Han?
Huh?
It's freaking ice. Did you touch the driveway? You think you think your wheels is grippable? What? Slowly. No, but slowly. You are like crazy. Slowly, please. Wait. Let's go, guys. Slippery, guys. Slippery.
Becoming a real weenie, hon.
What? You call me Winnie?
You're becoming a real weenie.
Seriously, you're a winner. This is my husband, guys. Welcome to my world. But you drive careful, because in the street, there's no cars, guys. I don't see anybody drive. Oh, the flower.
Oh, the inside light?
The flower.
Flowers?
The plant basement.
Did you turn it on? I didn't turn it on. You need to go back and check?
No, I think I shut it off.
Want to check so we don't burn the house down while we're away?
Okay. God, burn the house.
Just pulled up to the house. Don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack Mom and dad's only daughter, do I make you proud?
Hi guys, so ayos na guys, pati yung side mirror guys, nag-ayos na. So, yun, buti na lang may mga nagsusold sa daan, pero it's kind of icy pa rin kasi ulan ng ulan and then maginaw sa labas.
Where was the icy? They didn't salt yet. Normally
They did salt.
No.
That's not salt.
They're sitting there when they have gone out without any salt.
Okay.
Normally, when they know you're gonna have icy, they put brine. And you ever see when it's like brown?
Yeah.
Water?
Ah, okay.
That's the salt mixed with the water. It makes brine to melt all the salt. Meantime, you also get all the mucky shit. But they didn't brine the road.
Eh, wala pa pala guys kasi wala naman siyang ano. It's clear. There's no salt yet on the ground. Oh my god, look at that guys. Oh my god, that front thing, I don't know if you can see. That front hood, it's like ice. Oy. Oh my god.
Otherwise you'd see the water moving, it drops a little bit.
The car is icing outside guys.
That's what the engine.
That means it's really dangerous because that's the engine over there and it's not even melting. So can you imagine the road condition right now?
Windows, because we got enough heat going on in the car, it's heating the glass. So that's
Yeah, I know.
oxidizing.
Yeah, but slowly.
Yeah, but you need to
What is your-
You don't have ice, you know.
Yeah, the car is hot, so that's why you cannot see ice here, but you can see ice in that thing over there. This one right here, the mirror. But because it's hot, Han, can you pay attention with your drive, Han?
Seriously? Okay, then.
Yung kapatid ni Tami, mag-drive sana kami ng truck. I mean, dalhin niya yung truck niya para ilagay yung mga gamit, mga big things, heavy things. Pero delikado sa pag-drive sa kanya, guys. You know, delikado.
And it starts to thaw out, you get big chunks of ice flying at your window.
Attention with your driving. Ice winter. Guys, look, ice, guys. Ice. Look at this. This right here too. Look. The whole thing is ice, even here to look. Ice everywhere. This one is funny ice. Dito siya kadlokang ice. Andito kami sa Taco Bell guys. May binili lang si Mister. So ngayon, dito kami sa Taco Bell. Sabi pa ni Tami, nag-crave daw siya. So kailangan lang niyang bumili ng Taco Bell. Wala ditong ice, walang ulan, walang ice. Doon sa ano, ice at ulan. Okay guys, nandito tayo sa basement. Basement tayo. So, ito na lang yung kukunin. Ito siya guys. Ito kasing basement guys, sobrang old. Sobrang hindi na naayos ba. Look. So, kailangan siyang kunin lahat. Hanggang sa ground na talaga. Kunin yan. And, ang nagpunta kami dito kasi ito yung ilagay namin sa sakyan ni Mister. Tubig ba to meter? Yeah, ano? Con Edison? Oh, this is the ano, electric meter. So yun, let's see. And doon yung laundry area. I don't know kung anong plano nila dyan sa laundry. Kasi ang dami pang gamit doon guys ba. So ito po yung basement talaga. So magkarga lang kami kung anong dapat ikarga. Yung makasya sa sasakyan niya. I don't know kung magkasya ba ito lahat. Then, babalik na naman dito bukas. Pagbalik dito bukas, ang ano, I don't know kung babalik ako dito. Si Tami lang at saka yung kapatid niya yung pupunta dito bukas. Alam nyo guys, itong tiles na to, kami ni Tami naglagay nito. Kaming dalawa. That was few years ago. And then, hindi natapos, look. Alam nyo naman kung si Tami, hindi niya yan tatapusin. And then yun, ganito ng hitsura. Kaya hindi ko siya inaalaw na mag ano sa bahay namin. Yung hindi ko siya inaalaw na mag-start ng project. Yung parang anuhin kasi. Alam ko talaga, kilala na ko na yan. Hindi niya tatapusin. Sisirain lang niya yung, for example, sisirain niya yung bubong. May plano siyang maganda. And then sira na siya. And then nag-stop na siya. And then nawala na siya ng gana. So yun talaga siya. Accept ko naman yun. Kaya ikaw na lang yung magsasabi na wag mong gawin. Kasi talagang ay nako talaga. May mga glasses. Ito na lang yung natira. Ano ba ito? Ikit ko ba yan? I think ito yung sa loob ng ano. Ito yung para siyang bar guys. O kasi may sink talaga dito. Yung parang nagsiserve ka ng mga bisita mo. Dito magpa-party sila biyan ano. Magsiserve ka ng mga tao. And then, yun, may bar. Yun, hi guys. Hello. Look, maganda man ito. Ikip. Decoration ba? Yan siya, decorate. Parang mahal man yan, ay. Mabinta ba yan? So, anyway guys. So, alis na kami guys. And then, ito yung laman ng basurahan. Sa ngayon, look, ang daming tinapon. Yun, alam nyo ba kung ano yan guys? Ano yan yung tawag nun? Yung sewing machine, yung manual ba? Yung sewing machine yan siya Yan siya. Tinapon. At saka dito, look, konti na lang. So, dito din, mga basura ito Pero, last na ito, ilalagay. Ito, oil. Ito guys, hindi pala dito pwede magtapo ng yung oil. Itong mga oil na to, kailangang ipunta sa Castro, yung mga gasoline station. Dapat doon mo sila ibigay. Mga tinatapon na gamit, mga table, 'di ba? Sayang naman ito, guys. Ganon talaga dito talaga. Ang daming tinapon. What is that?
Fishing rod.
Oh my god. Who's gonna go fishing? Okay, why this one?
Fishing rod. Wait.
Okay.
We may be catching our own dinner.
Okay, look.
No.
Han, you're imagining now like you know how to fish.
You're kidding, right?
Oh, why did through this door? Look, this door, that's a door in the kitchen.
Yeah, because Andrew's an idiot.
That's a door in the kitchen.
I know what it is.
Maybe somebody can use it, or the owner,
I know. This is for sanding the floor.
No, we're not doing that, Han. Can you just don't stop? Now, Stam is dumpster diving. Okay, dumpster diving.
By your ear.
Han, seriously, Han.
Watch it when you get in.
Seriously, why you decided to do that fishing rod?
I didn't decide. I pulled it out yesterday. I agree.
Yeah, I know, but I thought you're gonna throw it out.
Oh, who told you that?
Because I wanna throw it out.
You want to throw everything out.
Guys, alis na kami guys. We are going home. What time is it? Oh good, we're early. That we can close my eyes over there first before we do. I have to go later.
Careful what you're doing. Careful.
I'm going to leave my husband for now, guys. You gonna be okay here?
Open your door.
Huh?
I'm opening your door.
Okay, thank you. Somebody's hungry, look.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, iwan ko muna si Tami, guys. Kakarating lang namin and then nakatulog kami ng few minutes, right? We slept few minutes.
That's what it was.
Yeah. So, I'm going to leave him and we're gonna have agenda. I will see you later, guys. Babalikan ko lang ito. We have food but there's no vegetables, so I'm gonna get something too. I'll try. I love you.
You're gonna like caramel.
I will. He's worried, guys, because it's icy.
I don't trust any vegetables you bring home. They come from a dumpster.
Hi guys, I am home. Galing kami nag-dumpster dive. Anyway, so nagluto lang ako. It's already 7. Hindi pa kami kumakain. So, yan. I-close ko lang itong mga blind. Close the blind. So, bumili ako. Nag-stop kami sa grocery store. And bumili ako ng frozen vegetables. So, yun na lang. And then also, mag-defrost ako ngayon sa basement ng pork. Kasi gusto kong bukas ako, sinigang na baboy. Punta lang tayo sa basement. Hopefully, makahanap tayo ng, I know, meron akong pork doon.
Hi guys.
Sleepy. Anyway. Sige.